Okay, Charlie. Let's show everybody what a big girl you are. First, we gotta get you standing up. Just stand there just like that, babe. Good girl. Look at you all by yourself. You're so excited. Hey! Hey! You're gonna fly away if you keep doing that. Come on! You can take one step. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there. Don't cry. Don't be scared. Are you watching cartoons? Don't. Here. She's distracted by the cartoons. Here. Look, Charlie. Woohoo. Come on.
Go.
You can do it. I know. Oh, kaboom. Where are you going? Is that more important right now? Okay. We'll do it later.